Hi guys, and welcome to this tutorial. Today I have Jess and Mette in the studio. What are you going for today, Jess?
I'm just gonna have a small touch-up.
Yeah, we're going to clean his edges and make some messy hair on top.
Let's get to it.
Your relationships are never meant to last.
We're almost done, but first, Jess, how do you like your new hairstyle?
I think it's really good. I love it.
How did you style it?
I used the neon foam and topped it off with some Revolution.
As always, guys, you can win 3 nice by Vilain hair products. Just write in the comment section down below what you think about the hairstyle, like the video and be a subscriber, and we'll pick a winner next week. See you guys.